Hello y'all, it's Beth here again. Just want to spend a couple of minutes showing you how to do two relatively minor things with your works cited page or your reference pages if you're dealing with APA instead of MLA. In both cases, you want to get rid of the hyperlinks and you want to keep your margins relatively even. You see here, I've used the works cited sample that I gave you to show you how to do a variety of different sources. And I've got you the before the edited version, so you've got 3 hyperlinks there. And then you'll notice that the margins are not even. You know, this one goes from here to here, and from here to here. It's because of the URL. The computer sees that as one word, and so it skips over to the other line. These 2 skills, they're not that important, but since Writing 122 is an advanced writing course, you're going on, this is not the last paper you'll be writing, you need to know how to do it. It's fairly simple. So first let's get rid of the URL. So what I'm doing is I am going to set off the URL that I want to get rid of the hyperlink. Then I come up here and I check on Insert, and I go to Links here. And I go to Hyperlink. And I want to remove the link. Simple. Ha-ha. Right? Then I want to get the margin fixed here. And the way to do that is, since the computer is seeing this as one word, I kind of eyeball it and figure it out. And I place my cursor next, right after either a slash or a period, and I put a space. And look what happens! I've removed the hyperlink, so it really doesn't matter the space is there. I'm still giving the address, but now my margin, you see, is straighter here. All right? Now, if you understand that, you can stop right now, but I'm going to do this one too. The same way. What I do is I set this all off, and I'm in Insert. I go to Hyperlink. I remove the hyperlink. Yay. And now, what do you think? I think, maybe before archives. And put a space. Now, see what happened? It did that one too, so I have to just remove that hyperlink. No big deal. Life is good. All right. Just tricks of the trade. Professionals know how to do this. It's not that difficult. Let me know if this doesn't work on your computer. And there are many ways to do it. And in the week for using Google Docs, there are other ways to do it, and I've included that in the postings. All right, let me know if I can help.